In this video, let me guide you through how to fix FC Mobile crashing. First, drag down your screen to reveal some menu tiles. Open the settings on your phone. Scroll down and select App Management. Next, navigate and tap on the app settings. Search for FC Mobile and select it. After that, scroll down and tap on Storage and Cache. Next, clear on Clear Cache, but do not clear data. Now go back and tap on Force Stop, then confirm by clicking OK. After that, open the Play Store or App Store and check for updates for FC Mobile. Next, if an update is available, install it. Now restart your device. After that, your game should work without crashing. Finally, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes FC Mobile games will crash in the middle of loading if the connection became unstable. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.